Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we are officially kickstarting the party prep for Olivia's birthday. I've been ordering stuff, getting everything together for weeks now, but it's less than 2 weeks away and I have a lot to do. I want to do some Cricut projects. I want to do some just DIYs in general. I have to prep some of these decorations, prep all the goodie bags that are in the back. So today I have the time and the energy, so I thought I would just do some prep with y'all. Right now I'm getting to just prepping a bunch of things. All this mess, I just unbagged and fluffed all the goodie bags, and then I'm gonna fill matchboxes. I got these Loteria match boxes from Etsy. I have a whole page that I made with all Olivia's decorations for this party from Etsy, so I'll link that down below, and also the Amazon one. But they're super cute. They have glitter and stuff, so I just need to fill them. And then the bags are from Amazon. And then Dante actually is DIYing some wooden type arch backdrops for the balloon garland that's actually over there. So he did that earlier and I kind of filmed a little bit, so let me show you that real quick. I'm trying really hard for Dante to explain to y'all what he's doing so y'all can get a mini tutorial. He said no. But I think he's just using a string to create the circle right in the center, and then going from there to actually draw the lines, and I'll show you guys once he already did. And then this is from Amazon. It's actually very inexpensive, so I'm gonna link it down below because it's a must for something like this, and Dante has been using it for other stuff too. Ignore how dirty everything is. It just rained, but this is the first one that he did, so we're doing 3, and this one is 4 feet, the next one is 5 feet, the other one is 6 feet. We just didn't want them to be super tall. They're going actually by this wall, and one of them, the middle one, is gonna have some pictures of her through the months, and the balloon garland is going to be surrounding it. So I didn't want them to be too tall because I don't want to hang that many balloons and then not be able to see it. Okay, back to it. The reason why I need a drink is because I'm making these, and they are so obnoxious. Like, they take quite a bit longer than I was expecting. It took me like 10 minutes to do one, but hopefully it gets easier. And then I had these rattan, well, this one, the rattan basket. So I put these Amazon cutie napkins. I think they all say different things. Fiesta, like there's some mañana, holy guacamole, shake your maracas. Let me tell you something. As someone who is Hispanic, there's a very fine line between cute fiesta stuff and tacky over the line fiesta stuff. So hopefully we do it justice. I mean, my husband is Mexican, and there's very few countries in the world that I love more than Mexico, so hopefully no one thinks it's not tasteful is what I'm trying to say. I have the bar cart nice and stocked thanks to Total Wine. My husband and I go there all the time. It's so fun to look through their wine selection, and today I'm going to be making a little spritz for the end of summer with this Prosecco. I'm going to link their super helpful wines of the summer guide, but I went for these inexpensive sparkling wines. So I got the Prosecco from this brand Rivata, and it's extra dry. And I also get this at Total Wine. This is such a good aperitif. I don't really know how to say that, aperitivo. And I don't love Aperol sometimes because it's too bitter and orangey. So this one is almost like a cherry floral one, and it tastes so good. So we're gonna make a cocktail with that. I just wanted to show you our cute little bar cart setup because it's so cute. So, and let's go make the cocktail. However, I do need Dante to open this because is anyone else kind of terrified to open sparkling wines with a cork like this? Because I am. All right, Dante opened it for me. He said it was really good. He had it by itself, but I love a spritz. So we have my wine glass, and I'm going to do I know this is not technically a spritz type of wine glass, but I love this one. It's so big. About that much. I kind of just eyeball it, so that's why I wanted to kind of show you all as I go. And then I would say about a shot of this one, so like 1 ounce, but probably more. And this is called Amaro Centoni. Anyway, so you could do LaCroix or any like sparkling water, or you can do ginger beer if you don't like sparkling water. I really love it with this limoncello LaCroix flavor though, and this is perfect for dinner parties. Like I said, that Prosecco is part of their list of affordable sparkling wines. They have a ton more options. Oh, I never even showed y'all. Like that much. You have a very nice refreshing spritz. I'm actually going to add a little bit more and some ice because my Prosecco wasn't cold, which is a rookie mistake. I'm not this obsessed with like big ice cube molds, so I have this one that's kind of like a medium size. Look at that, this one looks so nice and refreshing. Like I said, refreshing, perfect for the end of summer, beginning of fall, Labor Day parties, whatever you're doing. Friends dinner parties, this would be such a hit. Girls night, highly recommend you trying it, and highly recommend checking out Total Wine if you're 21 and over. I will have their links down below to what I was telling y'all, and you can do either in-store pickup or curbside pickup. I'm just obsessed with Total Wine. Definitely check it out. They have amazing wines from all over the world and so much more, so definitely check them out. Thank you to Total Wine for the little treat. Now let's go prep some party decorations. I've been here drinking my little Amaro spritz, and so far I've made one of these. I'm gonna have to jump into the other one, but there's really no point, and you'll hear me crunch up tissue paper for all of these, so I will show you the progress as I go. Okay, the reason why I haven't done an update is because I've been watching the Morning Toast. I've been watching them for years, and I swear this year they've just gotten so good, like so much better than before. But this is the progress so far. Not bad, not great, because we still have a little too many, but we're getting there, y'all. I'm having regrets. I should have waited until everyone was in town to do this, but we're gonna have plenty of work cut out for us with the balloon garland, so I'm okay. Okay, it is the next day. Just went to Walgreens and got the posters. So this one is kind of like her milestones poster, and I actually DIY'd all of this with Procreate because I refused to pay $11 or more to get something like this. I know it looks kind of interesting, but it's cute. The only thing is the edges in this picture are a little rough, but who cares? She's adorable. And then this one, I got this idea from Etsy. It's a time capsule kind of, so you do a letter, like everyone's gonna write her a letter, like a little thing, take a picture, and I'm gonna make kind of like a booklet, and she can open all of them and read them when she's 18. And I found this little quote from Etsy as well. These are actually those balloons, which is cute. So actually all of these will go around where this table is, so I'm super excited for that. This is gonna go on an easel, is that how you say that? But my Cricut stuff just got here, so I'm about to start on that. Okay, so now I'm putting this together. This is just kind of like the month in picture or the year in pictures. So I got the sign from Etsy, a little overpriced for what it is, TBH, but doesn't matter because Olivia is so cute. I was gonna use double-sided tape, but I'm scared with like the wind and stuff, it's not gonna hold. So instead I'm gonna do some glue that I got and just put it all together, which makes me so sad. This is like so emotional of me, but I'm just like so, like, look at how the teeny tiny little baby. Who is she? Who is she? All right, I wanted to show you some things I got for a party at Target. I got these acrylic boards, and they come with like a little stand, and I thought these would be perfect for like the taco bar or even like the drink station. So I got 2 of those from the Bullseye section, $3. Then 3 of these for the same thing. We have chalk pencils, or pens, I mean, and then my best friend has like the best handwriting ever, so she will take care of that. And then we have these drink pitchers because I'm gonna do a drink station with like margaritas and things like that. So these two big ones were 16 bucks, or plastic, and this little one was in the party section for $10. So we have those, super excited about. So I will continue to show you if I get more stuff. Oh my god, I almost forgot about these. So these are technically for fall, but I thought these would be perfect to put on the side gate and just put the welcome sign and then put Olivia's First Fiesta balloons there. I can either paint these or I can do just a Cricut vinyl on top, and that way I can remove them and actually use them for our front porch. But so cute, and $5 each, y'all. It's crazy. So Target has really good stuff right now. I mean, they always do, but right now, really good things. Y'all, I am so sad right now. So from Etsy, I ordered custom cookies, so like those decorated pretty sugar cookies, and I've been so excited to get them. These are actually for Olivia's birthday, so her birthday is the 16th and her party is on a Saturday. So I was so excited. They were like First Fiesta themed. I got such a good deal on them. The seller sends me a picture, I'll put it over here, of what it looks like, and I like reached out to her because I was like, I want to make sure we're home. It's very hot outside. I don't want them to melt. And she reassured me that, you know, she was gonna send them quick and that she was gonna put ice packs. And y'all, we live in Houston. These are the ice packs she added. They're all melted. Like, they just are not big enough. They weren't enough. They're literally just melted and hot to the touch. And this is the only kind of like protection she had. And sadly, not only are they melted, but they're broken. So they're melted and broken. She kind of like put them on top of each other here, and I just feel so bad because it's not her fault in a way, but I would have paid extra for shipping. I thought they were going to be sent overnight, but she did 2-day UPS shipping, so they arrived pretty late today. I'm just so heartbroken because they're so pretty. Let me show you. They're so pretty, but they're broken, they're melted, and the whole reason why I wanted these was to display them. And I can't do that anymore because they just look bad, and I'm just so sad. I don't know what to do in this situation. So, I mean, I reached out to her already. It's just so sad because I know she spent a good amount of time doing these, and, you know, it sucks that this is how they arrived, but yeah, just a bummer. Y'all, I'm so sad about the cookies. I can't even tell y'all. Anyway, I wanted to do a quick little H&M unboxing just because I got quite a big package. It's too big. Okay, let me show y'all. I got 2 of these cushion covers because since we have a white couch now, I think it looks better with some contrast. So we have the linen color. It's like a flax linen, very pretty, with a black trim. And you can get inserts on Amazon for like $9 and on H&M too. This is Olivia's. It's like a little romper that's waffle knit. I thought this would be perfect for the fall weather. Kind of looks like a boy's outfit, but you know, nothing a bow can't fix. No, this is for the bathroom. It's a little toothbrush holder. It's just this brass color. I thought it was pretty. Cutie little dress. How adorable. This is 1.5 or 2T. But I'm sure they'll fit her soonish, maybe for next spring. She is purple, not pink. Am I right, ladies? I feel like, I don't know, it's the lighting in here. This is more cushion covers. You might be thinking, Philo, do I have enough? No, I needed to add some texture, so I got these. They are 20 by 20, so they're all like woven. You'll see that. So I got that. I have a vision for this. with some greenery inside. I think this is really pretty for our dining room when it becomes our dining room again. I just really like glass vases now. I have a lot of like stone and different texture vases, and I think glass ones are great. Not that I'm a minimal by any means, but they add a little touch without being too much. So I got that. It's a cute little smoky candlestick. That'd be fun. Also for Olivia, it's a little sweatshirt. It says Sunday. Love the color, love the font. Got it for her. It was like $9. These cutie little fall boots. I would love to know what y'all think. They have that glitter on the side though. I did not expect that. But how adorable are these? We're struggling to find her shoes because she's been walking a lot, but she is still like a baby when it comes to shoe size, so they don't have anything like hard sole, and we want her to kind of get used to walking in shoes, so hopefully these will fit her soon. And lastly, I know this is very excessive, but in my defense, I decluttered so many things, and I think after Olivia's birthday I'm gonna have a garage sale. I don't know why it's so funny to me, because in my mind, like, garage sales are for people that are moving. In Puerto Rico, we didn't have garages, so in my mind, garage sales are like Toy Story when Andy's mom has one. I think I'm actually gonna end the vlog here, so I'm gonna start a new one with hopefully actual cookies. I'm so sad. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Total Wine for the little treat, and I will talk to you guys very soon in my next one. My next vlog is probably gonna be Olivia's birthday party week. I have friends, family coming to town, staying with us, helping like decorate and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna have another video that I'm gonna have my brother film for Olivia's birthday party. So I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all are excited too. I wish I could invite all of y'all. Oh my god. Am I okay? I'm having the worst dry mouth lately. I wish I could invite all of y'all to come, but our house is not that big and this party already got out of hand, so can't wait to show y'all. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. I need to drink some water. Bye.